Hello everyone. Today we are going to explain how to configure OVPN in RouterOS version 7 installed router. So that we should follow some steps. We need to create a certificate. First of all, we need to create a certificate. The certificate there is one of the server side, another is client side, right? So we need to create server certificate as well as client certificate. Then we will configure OVPN and we use this certificate. Let's see how to configure it. How to create a certificate, right? How to create a certificate in MikroTik router. Certification creation in version 7 as well as version 6 is the same. Now we are trying to log in our MikroTik router first. Okay, we can go to the system to certificate. There is no certificate, right? Okay, no problem. Now let's see how to create a certificate. Okay, so you should go to certificate tab, or you can run this command, then you can easily create a certificate. Just copy this line for see a certificate create, just paste here, then press enter. Yes, the CS certificate is created, right? Then create a certificate for server side. Okay, just copy and paste here. Server template also created. Then create a client template certificate. Okay, so we are creating one client certificate, that's why we can just use this command. Then we can sign in, right? So just copy this line and use your router IP address here, right? Here this is the template IP, so we are changing this IP. Our router IP is 192.168.100.1. Very good. Then create sign in server certificate. Just copy and paste here. Very good. Then sign client certificate. Very good. Now we need we can see there is a flag T here, right? But those two certificate no T. T means trusted. So let's set certificate trusted. Then server certificate trusted. Yes. Then set client certificate trusted equal to yes. Now you can see there is a T flag, right? Very good. Now you can export the certificate, right? If we export, then we can see those certificates will be appeared in files. Let's see. export CA certificate. Yes. Then export client certificate. Export client, export certificate, client, export, like we can give a password. When you are using the certificate in the client side, then we need this password. Yes. Now just simply copy the certificate and use those certificate in client side. Very simple creating certificate in MikroTik router. Just we are copying the certificate, drag and drop here. Yes, certificate is, we can use the certificate in client side. Very good, the certificate is created. Now we are going to configure OVPN and using this certificate in server side. Okay, let's see next steps. In the server side, our OVPN client will get IP address from this pool. We are just copy and paste here. There is a 22254. We don't need all IP, just we can give 2 to 100. So just press enter. Very good. Then create a profile. Just copy and you can just paste here, enter. Yes, profile is created. If you go to the triple P, then you can see there is a profile. This profile is created. Very good. Now we are going to create a secret. Just copy and paste. Secret also created. We can check it. Just secret. Yes, the secret already created. We use this secret for connect OVPN. Then set the server certificate in our OVPN server. How to create it? Just copy and run this command here. Just press enter. You can check it again. Just go to the triple P interface and you can see there is a OVPN server. Yes, it's enabled, right? Very good. Now we need to export the OVPN file. Go to the OVPN server and there is an export. Okay, after export you can see this file will be appeared here. So click export and then you should assign the IP address, your CS certificate from the drop down and client certificate and client key. Then click start. Yes, the OVPN file is created. Very good. Now just drag here. Okay, now use this client file or the client configuration. You need OVPN installer. How to download OVPN installer? You can just go to the browser, then you can OVPN download and there is an option is easily for download OVPN installer. Okay, we already download the installer. Just click for install it. Next, just straightforward. Next, finish. Very good. Now open the OVPN installer. Okay, input the client file. Here's the desktop. Okay. 2984, 2984, 2984, 2984. Connect. Then it's asking for username and password. OVPN, we created a secret already. Just copy and paste. Then click OK. Yes, OVPN client is now connected. Thank you for watching.